Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois. We're going to look at one of my last 2009 models I have. It's a Quailridge 39Dlb2. We've been down the used park model, 94 Breckenridge, 2010, double loft, blah blah blah, log cabin, so on and so forth. My name is Kelly, and we're going to look at this Quailridge 2-bedroom. It's the only 2-bedroom you're going to find that has a good sized living room. It also has a rear loft. MSRP on this trailer is over $38,000. I have one left for $32,030. We have financing available all across the USA to qualified buyers. Take you on a little trip around it. It's antique white with bright white corners, white windows, green shutters, and I'm thinking green roof. Can't see the roof from where I'm standing. It's got an outside water spigot. Several features common to all of my park models. They're all built by Forest River. They all have thermopane windows. There's an outside water spigot on the Quailridges. They're 20-gallon gas electric hot water heaters. Thermopane windows. All the furniture in them stays in them. We're going to go on inside. Sleeper sofa. Swivel rocker. 4 chairs and a table. Storage under the chairs. This is a ladder loft. Climb right up the ladder. It's got a closet up there. Probably sleep about 2 or 3 adults. This has what we refer to as the his and hers wardrobe. Over here on the lot, when we're showing it to women, we just call it the hers and hers wardrobe. There's lights in the closet. Nice, beautiful ash cabinetry. Sleeper sofa, swivel rocker, granite-like countertop. There is double lever, high-rise faucet with sprayer, composite sink, 24-inch range, electronic Xlite, 24-inch microwave with built-in range hood, 56,000 BTU furnace, 16 cubic foot fridge. All the amenities you could ever need in this park model. We'll go into the bathroom next. Got a skylight in the bath. Tub surround, shower curtain, shower, porcelain stool, vanity, medicine cabinet, nice shelf in there. Okay, now for the beauty of this trailer. The bedroom. It's got 2 double beds with the chest of drawers under. No weight limit on the beds. Them are doubles with bedspread. The guests have their own closet in here. Okay, it's been a long day of filming for me, but I wanted to show you all my trailers. And like I say, this one's designation, it's a 2009 Quailridge DLB2. It comes exactly how you see it. All the drapes, mini blinds, lamps, end tables, furniture, bedspreads, everything in it stays in it. Well, stop by and see us. Once again, it's a 2009 Quailridge 2-bedroom rear loft. Its designation is DLB2. It's a 2009 Quailridge 39Dlb2. MSRP is $38,120. Sale price at just $32,030. There's one left at this price. Stop on by and see us. We're located right on US Route 52 in north central Illinois. Give us a call or shoot us an email. 815-849-9089. My name is Kelly, and I hope you enjoyed my video.